baby. Oh, that's a good job. That's a good job. She's like, give me back my car. Let me come over here. You're doing an awesome job, Elle. Good job, sweetheart. You're so good at that.
Don't grab onto it.
Is she done with it? That was awesome, though. You did great. Good job. You were walking. So good, honey. We're so proud of you. Love you. What do you think you're doing? You can't have that camera. Love you. Say bye-bye. You better get back on there. You want to go for a ride on your walker? Look at Griffin. He's like, right? Okay, she's done. Love you. Bye-bye.